I received this product in exchange for my honest opinion and review on it. Okay, so this is So this is a jade stone. So these are 100% handcrafted. And what it is look how cute. This stone is designed to help with clear your so this is going to help reduce the swelling along your jaw, cheekbones, anything like that where you can retain fluid. So you're just gonna come through. Oh, this feels wonderful. Just gonna help shape. Your face. So you can do this up to 2 to 3 times a day. This stone is beautiful. I am really happy with the product. Comes in a great case and container to where you can keep it safe. I am really happy with this product. I can't wait to use it more, and I'd highly recommend you look into it.